as a thread, she was right. But I spent every night talking you down, picking you up. I don't know how we called that love. I was
Okay guys, I want to talk about something. You see, when I was cleaning the when I was organizing like the sewing area, there's this thing about me that when I'm around like nails or pins or something, I can't swallow my saliva. Like I had this like fear that I'm swallowing like a pin and it's going to like choke me. I don't know why. And it started ever since I started sewing like me, and it's so like funny because like I sew and like I'm always around pins, like we use those things, like the machine literally has a nail there. I don't get it. And so like it's so funny, like I couldn't swallow my saliva throughout that whole organizing stuff. Like I don't know if this is like disgusting, but I had to stand up multiple times to go and spit because like I can't swallow. Sometimes I just let it go, like I try my best, but like I've been doing that, like trying to like get out because I don't get it. Like dude, like some people faint, but I just can't swallow my saliva. I think it's because the last time my mom like was like, oh my god, I feel like I swallowed a pin, because she had a pin in her mouth while she was trying to pin something. And so I think that was why I also got that fear that what if, because I also do that, like sometimes you just want to hold something and take it from your mouth and like pin it, but like oh god, that was so like that was something else. But anyways, I'm done with cleaning, and then self-care is ongoing, and now I'm going to like make breakfast, eat, get ready, and then we're gonna do the more computer stuff, like goals and stuff like that, which is like as of updates, so it's gonna be fun. Okay, gonna go now. Okay guys, so I'm done with everything. I got ready, and now let's go to like the reflection walls and all that stuff. So for April was really good. I got a lot of good news. I ended my semester well. If you remember from my last video, I think I was worrying about that. I ended it well. I got A's and A pluses, which is good. I still want to bring that up, but you see that in my main goals. But yeah, I ended my semester well. Also got good news about college stuff. So I was really worrying about the finances and stuff like that, like where I'll go to school and all that stuff. But my father was able to secure some funds for my first year at university. But it's not in the US, it's in Germany. So yeah, I'll talk more about college stuff in another video. But yeah, routine wise, I was really good. I struggled a lot mentally with some other stuff, like trying to figure out some stuff. But like most importantly, like this man was actually very good. That have a lot of me like internal stuff that I also want to like do and like improve, because I'm not perfect and I'm always trying to improve. So there's some stuff inside that I want to work on. And so if you're wondering what this is, like I have like this heat rash and I have this like thing cream I had to put on. So yeah. So yeah, reflection wise, April was really good. Routine wise, I follow my routine every day. Journaling, I forgot to journal one evening, and the next morning, when I woke up, that was the only thing in my head. I was like, oh my god, I forgot to journal. Oh no, it wasn't even intentional. I'm always like, it's like I discovered a routine, but like that evening, I think I just forgot and like fell asleep. But apart from that, every day was good. I'm working out. So now for my workout, I want to intensify them a bit, because it seems it's a bit more too easy at this point. It's like my body's now used to it and it's like it's not challenging anymore. So I want to like increase the intensity. So yeah, also if you want a video on my workout, like a week of workouts, comment down below. Yeah, okay, so right now I'm done with the review and I'm going to get into April goals, like if I met them and stuff like that. So for my April goals, first, finalize all college stuff. When I mean finalize all college stuff, I mean I wanted to choose a school and like finalize like how I'm going to attend, and yes I did. Follow through with my routines, yes. A's and A pluses, yes. Finish one book, yes. Sew a headband, yes. That's what I'm wearing right now. So yeah. Learn to play one melody, no. I was able to only like do this as a extra thing I could do during the time, but like learning to learn the melody, no. I'll try to do that in me. Post more videos, yes. So my intentions were to be patient, yes, disciplined, and be yourself no matter what. This is my I'm just my goofy self with my family and everything like that. I just don't want to let that go, because I just feel everyone is so uptight and like I'm mature, but like no you're not. You're just like letting go of your childhood, and I'm not gonna do that. So yeah. Okay, so now for me, May goals. So first I want to enroll in the college. So now that I found the finance and everything, I need to like now start the enrollment process, visa and all that stuff. Next, I want to follow through with my routines. This is always going to be a goal for every month, so that it's like in the forefront of my mind and stuff like that. End semester with 4 A's and 4 A pluses. That's a new goal. 4. So yeah. Finish one book. Yeah, also for the last month, finish one book. I finished the subtle art of not giving. Yeah, this book was really good. I got some notes from it, so let me share before I continue. I had a lot of notes, but I'm just going to talk about. I had some really good there. So they were also talking about, most importantly, some of the main like theme in the book I would say was like values. So like there's some bad values that people have, that like bad values are stuff that are like socially destructive, not immediate or controllable, and superstitious. And then good values are like reality based, social, constructive, immediate and controllable. So like some good values would be like honesty, compassion, self-respect, humility, charity, standing up for oneself, standing up for others, curiosity and stuff like that. So for me this month, which is one of my goals, I want to state my values and prioritize them and learn how to like see areas where I'm not really putting that into action and stuff like that. So this book I recommend you guys really read it, because it's really good. Next is to sew a scrunchie. I think I said it, post all videos, learn to play one melody and sew a scrunchie and a headband. Then I also have intentions, which are discipline, be present and aware. When I'm more present and aware, I realize that I'm able to control what I see, what I do, and like if I'm spiraling, I kind of can bring myself back. But when I'm not, it just so I'm going to try to be present and be more aware. Also, I want to sit and prioritize my values, like I said, and I try to use them in my life. So that's all for my March goals and intentions. Now, a book on I already said I read this book. Really, really good book. Next, so this month I'm going to be reading Little Woman. I'm going to finish the first book at least. I already started reading it because I finished this book around last week Tuesday. So I'm gonna keep reading. I'm going to finish that because the story is really good. So I want to finish it. And then I just want to start another self-help book, but it's depending on when I finish that book. So yeah. Next is my favorite products, songs, podcasts, and stuff like that. So I have been loving this song by Brooke Butler and Weeds. It's like this nice song. Like you guys should check it out on Spotify. It's really, really good. What's also about being loved and nurtured? I've been loving my routine, honestly. Like how I've been disciplined in like this month. Like like I've not let myself slack off. Being consistent with everything. Like it's really, really good. Podcast. Honestly, On Purpose with Jay Shetty is a really, really good podcast to listen to. Like he gives a lot of insights and it's not too intense. Like he's a calm person. He's just giving you tips on how to fulfill yourself and everything. It's really, really good. So yeah, I'm really excited for May actually. May has a lot. Like May, I'm going to end a lot of stuff. I'm graduating from 12th grade. That's the main day. I'll be enrolling in a school. Like stuff is going to happen in May, and I am ready. I'm excited, and June I'm gonna have my birthday. I'm going to be turning 18. People, like it's getting me so like things are coming, and I'm very happy and like ready to take them all in. So yeah, I think that's all for this. For the video, I just have a little more stuff I need to do, which is not part of my monthly reset. And like to-do list items, weekly reset and stuff. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, I've already written my goals on the board. I need to write down my weekly stuff too. But yeah, today has been really good. I just started mine, so I'm a bit mellow. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.